if you're experiencing an installation loop on your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your console back to normal operation. Step 1. Power cycle the console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Unplug the power cord from the wall and wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning the console on. Step 2. Boot into safe mode. To access safe mode, turn off the console, then press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep about 7 seconds. Connect a controller via USB and press the PS button to enter safe mode. Step 3. Rebuild database. In safe mode, select the option to rebuild database. This process scans the drive and creates a new database of old content, which can help resolve installation issues. Be patient, as this may take some time. Step 4. Update system software. While still in safe mode, check for any available system software updates. Select the option to update system software and follow the prompts to ensure your console is running the latest version. Step 5. Initialize PS5. If the previous steps did not resolve the issue, you may need to initialize your PS5. This option will erase all data and restore the console to factory settings, so back up any important data first. Select Initialize PS5 in safe mode and follow the instructions. After completing these steps, your PlayStation 5 should no longer be stuck in an installation loop. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.